So I had to take down the original video showing the messages between Kim and I. So here I am reposting them because she lied about what was said, tried to act like I was rude to her and coming at her mean and bullying her. And she also told some lies about exactly what was said. So I wanted to share the messages to show exactly what was said between both of us. She doesn't say much in them because I was in her live on my burner talking. She was talking, and then I was in her inbox responding to her as she was talking on her live. So that's why it looks weird, and because we were having a conversation that way. Now, here are the messages yet again